Aforza is a software company that serves the consumer goods industry. We help companies ensure that they're placed, priced and promoted in the right way. And we now export to over 26 countries over 4 continents. The Welsh Government support has really helped Aforza in our export efforts. We've actually engaged agencies on the ground in countries like Spain and Saudi Arabia, where we have teams calling in to clients and prospects to generate new business. From a results perspective, the Welsh Government support has helped obviously with brand awareness in these new markets that we export to, but also from generating new pipeline and winning new business. And I think the fact that 75% of our business comes from exports really speaks to this. I'd highly recommend the Welsh Government. The dedication and the support that we've had at every level to make Aforza a success in these export regions has been better than we ever expected.